Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the Mac and initiating decryption. Sign in with an administrator account because only admins can change Filevault. Once signed in, plug into power and make sure the battery won't die mid-process. Next, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Filevault and click Turn off Filevault. This begins decryption. You're doing this now so the drive unlocks securely, and the system can rewrite disk sectors without permission errors or interrupted writes. Once decryption starts, monitor progress and understand what's happening. You'll see a percentage in Filevault settings. This indicates how much of the volume has been decrypted. Make sure the Mac stays awake and connected to power. If it sleeps or shuts down, you risk prolonging or pausing the process. If you prefer the command line, run sudo f to set up status to view progress and status messages. Keep apps running that prevent sleep, and avoid heavy I/O to let the system complete decryption smoothly. When decryption completes, verify the status reads Filevault off so you know encryption is fully removed. Then restart the Mac to confirm normal login and that all files are accessible without disk password prompts. If the process stalls, first reboot and check F to set up status again. Sometimes a restart clears the hold. If it's still stuck, boot to recovery, run disk utility first aid, and then retry turning off Filevault. That repair step fixes permissions or disk issues that block decryption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.